Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Workspace Admin to manage server integrations, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in admin.google.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you to the Google Workspace Admin login page. Enter your administrator email address in the provided field. Click on the Next button. You will be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. If you have enabled two-step verification, follow the additional prompts. Once you're logged in, you will see the Admin Console dashboard. To manage server integrations, look for the menu on the left side. Click on the Apps option. Select Google Workspace from the drop-down menu. Next, find the Settings for Gmail section. Here, you can manage email routing and server configurations. To add a new integration, click on Advanced Settings. Scroll down to the Routing section. Click on Add another rule to create a new routing rule. Fill in the necessary details for your integration. Make sure to save your changes. To check existing integrations, go back to the Advanced Settings section. Review the list of current integrations and their configurations. If you need to modify an existing integration, click on it to edit. After making any changes, always remember to save them. Once done, log out of the Admin Console for security purposes. Close the browser window to complete the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.